Hello, my name is Michael, and welcome to 60 Seconds to Success. I'm a learning specialist here at Lehigh Carbon Community College, and today we're going to be talking about creator versus victim mindsets and what they mean in the college context, right? So, question for you. Do you have a victim or a creator mindset? They're different. Victims are focused on blaming external forces or tied to excuse making, right? So victims look on as project outside, and they want to say other reasons why outside of me or reasons why things are happening, right? Typically in college, your professors are the target of this. My professor isn't very good. My professor moves too fast. This class sucks, right? We externalize things. Creators are focused on things they can control. Your study habits are a huge thing. You can't control what happens inside a class, but you can control your study habits outside of class. So whenever you can in college, try to maintain that creator mindset. All right, we're out of time. Have a good one.